You know, nobody likes to eat anything that has bitter gourd in it. For me personally, I'm not a fan of it until I found out about this recipe, so let's go make it. Start by taking approximately 1 kilogram of bitter gourd. Peel them thoroughly. Place the peeled bitter gourds into a bowl and sprinkle 1 teaspoon of salt over them. Mix the bitter gourds with your hands to ensure the salt is evenly distributed. Proceed to de-seed the bitter gourds. Rinse the bitter gourds thoroughly and pat them dry. Chop 1 medium-sized onion. Chop 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Chop 1 medium-sized ginger into 4 pieces. Chop 4 green chilies. Add these chopped vegetables to a blender and blend until smooth. In a separate bowl, take 1 kilogram of minced meat. Add some of the chopped onion and the blended mixture to the minced meat. Season with 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix the minced meat thoroughly with the spices and vegetables. Carefully stuff the bitter gourds with the prepared minced meat mixture. And secure each one with kitchen string. Place a pan on low heat and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, gently place the stuffed bitter gourds, tied with string, into the pan. Fry them until they turn golden brown. Cover the pan and let them cook for a few minutes. Check the bitter gourds to ensure they are evenly cooked and golden. Once done, transfer them to a plate. At this stage, you can serve the stuffed bitter gourds as they are, but for an enhanced dish, we'll prepare a flavorful sauce with additional minced meat. In the same pan, add some more minced meat and sauté it. Add the remaining chopped onion and 1 medium chopped tomato to the pan. Season with 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. Mix everything together and cover the pan. Let it cook for 5 to 10 minutes. After this cooking time, carefully add the stuffed bitter gourds back into the pan. Season with additional salt to taste. Add a small amount of water and cover the pan. Let it cook for an additional 20 minutes. In the final stages, add the remaining chopped onion and tomato to the pan. For added flavour and presentation, place 2 whole green chilies into the pan. Once cooked, your stuffed bitter gourds with minced meat are ready to be served. Enjoy this dish with roti or naan for the best combination. Wow, they're absolutely delicious. Enjoying the vibes? Like, subscribe and stick around for more deliciousness.